Welcome back to my channel. On this video I'm gonna show you this Christmas rock, which is number 5 on the 12 days of Christmas. On the 12 days of Christmas I'm bringing you one painting every day. One is a rock, second is a canvas, and I'm gonna keep alternating on the paintings. So on this occasion, it's a rock, really simple and easy to paint. All the paints that I use, I'm gonna leave them on the description below, and other tools that I use if you are interested on knowing which ones I use. So this is a little teddy bear with his Christmas hat, and on the side there is a little bird, cardinal, just looking at the little bird. The little bird is next to two little presents on the side, presents that Santa has brought him on this Christmas, because the teddy bear is listed on the nice list. Maybe I'm not listed on the nice list, on the naughty list. No, just kidding. But I want to take the opportunity to wish everybody happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, whatever you celebrate. But me personally, I'll celebrate Christmas, and I wish everybody Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, and trying to stay safe and healthy as well. The bear I painted brown, and then I was mixing the colors, trying to make it, because it has shadows and highlights. So the highlights, I make them on the right and the shadows on the left, so the light is coming from the right. So that's something that you have to think every time that you do a painting, because I've seen a lot of paintings. I'm not a professional by any means, but I know you have to think about the lighting all the time, where the lighting is coming from. But I've seen sometimes people painting the highlights coming from one side, and then the other subject, the one that is not in the main picture, has highlights coming from another perspective, or from another side of the light, meaning that the light might be coming from the right and the other subject is coming from the left. So just keep that in mind. Again, I'm not a professional. As you can see here, I'm using this technique that I paint, and I just wipe off a little bit of the paint. That's something that I actually learned by mistake, because I wanted to paint something and then I just wiped it off with the napkin, but I saw that a little paint was still left on the where you put the paint. So I like that technique, so I used that technique especially on this bird, on this teddy bear, to make just a little bit of the paint on the hat. It has a mistletoe garnishing the hat, and again I'm doing the darker areas a little bit darker on the left and the lighter areas on the right. I use a small brush to do the little bird, the little cardinal. I mean, you can't tell what it is exactly, but it's just a little bird. I actually saw this on a Christmas greeting card, one of the stores. I believe it was the 99-cent store or Dollar Tree. I don't know, but I just took a picture and I decided to paint this little bird because it looked cute. Let me know what you think about my paintings. If you like them, give me a thumbs up, or give me a comment that you like the paintings. And I hope you subscribe to my channel and activate the bell so you can receive announcements of my next videos. And again, this is a 12 days of Christmas project. I'm gonna leave it the description of the playlist right here on the upper right hand corner if you want to see the other ones, and if you haven't done so. And I get asked a lot on my Facebook page which sealant I use. I use this resin called glaze coat. I got it at the store at Home Depot, and I believe it was about $25 or $30. It's a small bottles that I think they come with around 10 or 12 ounces of each. So, and I use a syringe to make the exact 50-50. When I cut the rocks, I just mix it really quick. But you have to do this outdoors and leave it to cure for at least 12 hours. So that answers the question that I get on the Facebook page. So now it is coated with the resin. I hope you liked it, and I will see you on the next 12 days of Christmas. Have a nice day.